Here I have CUBOT X30 and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, wallpaper, wallpapers. Here you have some of the preset wallpapers. You can also set your own image or photo as a wallpaper by tapping here. I don't have one wallpaper, so I just go in with one of the presets. Let's select this one. Beautiful mountains, beautiful, just beautiful wallpaper. Then you tap set wallpaper. Next you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both. And that's it. Wallpaper changed. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.